Hey everyone, it's Alpha, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to fix the check your notifications on another device error when logging into your Facebook account with two-factor authentication enabled. Let's get started understanding the issue. When you encounter this error, you're given two options: wait for approval or try another way. If you choose try another way, you'll need to confirm your identity using a different method. First solution: approval on primary device. Log into your Facebook account on your primary device, which is the one used for setting up two-factor authentication. Navigate to the Notifications tab and approve the login request to proceed. More effective solution: account settings on your home page. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then scroll down to Settings Privacy and select Settings. From there, go to See More in Account Center, then navigate to Password Security and select two-factor authentication. Choose login method. Select the method you used for setting up two-factor authentication, such as text message. Here you have two options: turn off text message authentication, not recommended due to potential login issues, or change your phone number. Changing phone number: opt to change your phone number and enter the new one. Follow the prompts to receive a confirmation code on the new phone number, which you'll use for logging in on the secondary device. Second solution: account recovery. If the first solution doesn't work, click try another way under check your notifications on another device. Then select Go to Account Recovery and follow the prompts to submit a photo ID for verification. Upload Idaho and verification. Enter an email address for Facebook to send recovery messages, then enter the confirmation code sent to that email. Choose the type of ID you upload: national ID or passport. Upload it and submit. Await Facebook review. Facebook will review your submission and send instructions via email on how to log back into your account once the review is complete. Stay updated. If you encounter issues receiving verification emails, subscribe and turn on notifications for upcoming tutorials on how to fix them. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.